morning, everyone. Today I'm climbing Bukit Mor. Bukit Mor. I'm climbing Bukit Mor. This hiking trail is about, I think, half an hour from the town of Muar. It's quite an easy hike, I heard, and it's to the top. It's only about 4 kilometers straight up, but with the winding road and everything, probably adds 1 more kilometer. And it's pretty an easy hike, that's why I'm doing it. Nasli's my guide and my friend. There's lots of unique spots and points.
Ini peta Bukit Mor yang biasa kita akan jalan melalui jalan A. Dia akan berpusing. Bukit Mor ni banyak jalan. Dia boleh kita akan lalu jalan sini, pusing dan akan ke sini. Dan kita akan naik balik sini. Kita akan buat banyak jalan lah. Just a transformer head.
Transformer head.
Like that. Sini batu berlumut. Pokok besar sini, dia punya tip sini. Dan sini batu berbentuk kapal Okey, ni pokok roket ni dekat bawah. Nanti kita balik, kita turun, kita akan pergi.
So we're following C trail, and it's pretty straightforward to the and then go to the puncak. Okay, then go to the peak, which is only about 233 meters. And then we come down here, this path. Like a very popular trail for the local. I have never heard of Bukit Mor. Nobody has ever mentioned this hiking trail to me. So let's see what's on this trail.
B N. Okay, kita akan lalu trail C.
The
B ke trail A.
A sign there quite okay, Ada sign.
Ada. Akan pergi sana sebab tadi ada track B. Sekarang kita track C. Sekarang track B, sekarang kita berada di track C.
Oh, nice. So this is between track B and track C, where you can take really nice Instagram picture, because this tree is like very odd shape.
Macam pokok ni memegang.
Look at this. So it's hugging this huge rock. Oh.
Kalau kita salah pusing, kita akan terpusing. Jalan dan sini.
So we're taking the left after this Batu Berlumut. Okay, Berlumut rock, then you take a left.
Okay, you can try.
1 hour plus into the hike. So far, it's really pleasant. The trail is very wide open and clear. I think this is the hike for beginner because it's pretty easy. There's not much of a uphill that you have to climb and so forth. And according to Nasli, there's 3 mining now, and they're mining the rocks around this area. The landscape became a little bit unstable and they closed some of the points of interest. And yeah, so that's what you would expect if you come to Muar.
Tapi kan dia dah patah satu pada sana. Jadi agak bahayalah untuk kita bergambar di sana. Di bawah dia juga ada satu batu yang menarik.
Usually you see this fern tree before you reach the top. Ooh, the view is nice. Yeah. Wow. So that's a transformer head rock.
ni, sekarang kita berada di atas. Dan ditiup oleh angin yang sejuk.
Hashtag Bukit Mor.
Bukit Mor dari belakang.
Oh, dari belakang. This is what I call very confusing. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 signs by 4, 5 different, I don't know, association. That's the sad part about this place. Okay, we reached the peak. Or more. Okay, we reached the peak of Bukit Mor, 223 meters. That's it. It's really a nice place to explore. You get different view. You get the sea view, and then you get the paddy field view. You get the lake view. There's plenty of different view, and I spent like 2.5 hours exploring this place. It's not really a hike, but it's really nice to explore, and it's quite pretty here. It's well looked after. The trails are very wide open. It's very good for beginner. I want to thank Nasli for bringing me here. Thank you, Nasli. And if you're interested with more, you can contact Nasli. You can PM me and you can contact Nasli. And yeah, if you're a beginner, come here. It's really easy and really safe, and there's lots of people. You won't get lost, but the sign is a bit confusing. There's different people putting different signs, so it became like so confusing where to go. But you won't get lost. It's pretty much a round area. I'll see you in my next video, and thank you, Nasli, and see you in my next video. Bye.